Hey guys, welcome to another game. Hold on. Hold on. Turn that off so you can hear us. We are playing Ultimate Motorcycles. Never played this before. We had a quick game. John had put on bots.
Wait, go menu, turn on the sound but turn it down.
You can't.
No, go click on the sound. Then you go like that.
We're doing this. Yeah, John put on bots.
Okay.
You have to technically just have to try to avoid dying. Yeah.
Alright, I'll be on your team then.
What color are you? Green? Yep.
Yeah. So,
Crap.
thanks for blocking me.
Did I block you?
Yeah. No, you're blocked.
Oh, why? This is hard. Okay. Come on, Braedon, we can...
Block yellow.
Oh, I killed him. I killed him though. It's alright.
Me and blue.
Come on, Braedon. Braedon's our only hope into doing this.
No!
Also there might be an expected Minecraft video coming out soon. Oh my god, look at it! Me and Yellow just like we're touching each other. Oh, so freaky. Come on, Braedon. This is a really hard game. I might put the link to the game in the description, maybe.
Yeah.
You can try it with your friends, or you can play it on
I killed myself. Jesus.
Look at that. See that?
Get blue. Blue's a good one.
Okay.
Oh, you... oh!
Oh yeah, I'll try to win this for us.
On the game we're not on teams, but we made up rules. Oh jeez. Blue one. It's blue.
Oh, let's go free for all. Free for all.
Okay. Yes, I got blue.
You got me.
Oh no, yellow.
No, but you locked me off. No, you didn't get blue.
Oh, I thought I swear.
Oh. Yeah, I'll put the link to this in the description. Oh, sorry, I'm back with Braedon. Yeah, I didn't say that. Sorry. Come on.
Oh damn!
What happened?
Yellow one.
Oh really?
Yeah, me and blue collided.
Okay, I guess we need a team actually. Come on.
Just try and make like a pattern.
No.
Oh, that blue.
You won!
Yay!
This is like the hardest game to win in. We just thought, oh yeah, this game looks cool. Oh, I nearly blocked off yellow.
No!
Braedon!
You killed me!
Did I? I'm gonna block off blue. Oh, I tried to like...
Wrong way!
Come on, can I get yellow this time?
Yeah, go for anyone, just as long as you get them out.
No!
Yellow got you good.
No! What? Yellow has like some matrix, what's up? Oh, Braedon, yellow stuff. He's in his little cube there.
I need to get that blue.
Look at that, look at that. Look at yellow. He's
Yes! I got him at the end. Did you see that? Yeah.
Wait, I'll see if I can get to you.
I'm going for blue, eh? Blue's my enemy. Oh, damn, I turned too early. You need to win, bro. I've won twice.
I'm killing myself. Okay, let me see if I can.
I'm gonna try get blue.
Come on, Blue. Why is Blue fast?
He's the freaking fastest because he's won the most. That's why. Oh, jeez. Careful, yellow. You trap yourself. You're dead.
This
Right.
game's hard.
I'm just going along the
border.
edge.
I'm gonna see if I can take out Blue. Blue has to die.
What?
Um.
I hate Blue. Blue needs to die.
Yay!
I saw them two collide. Sorry.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, was it me?
Yeah. Come on, can you win this, please?
They trapped me.
Okay, we need to work. I'll take yellow, you take blue.
Oh, gee. Really?
We really need to sort this. We'll sometime get better. One time.
Damn, he blocked me.
Oh, Braedon. You can go around and block yellow. Oh, he's stuffed. Wait, blue's in there. My god, Braedon. You just got away with that.
I know.
You need to make the big. Yes!
I'm too skilled for them. I'm actually pretty good now. Ready? Overtake him. Scare him.
No, I was trying to do my own little pattern. Braedon's the top screen and I'm the bottom screen if you didn't notice already.
Yeah, I'm green.
Yeah, I'm pink because pink's just a good colour. Come on. Let's see if I can get yellow. Oh, skill.
Damn, I tried to do what I did to blue the last time where you go in front of him.
Yeah, hard.
Oh, you turn the other way.
Oh, blue!
Yellow one. Look where yellow is.
Oh, yeah, yellow.
Yellow's got it.
Yeah. I don't know what our goal should be. What should it be?
Take out blue. Damn you, yellow.
Okay, let me... Game mode.
Okay. Got blue.
Yes! Okay, do you want me to try and get yellow?
Come on, Darnell. He's over there.
Come on.
No, they're trying to do what they did before. Not happening. Got you now, blue.
Oi, you blocked me off, Braedon! No! I was going so well. I made my own little pyramid. I went so fast. Okay, come on.
Blue one, because I got yellow at the end.
I got yellow.
Thanks.
Crash into him, see what happens. Because you can catch him, he's going fast. Holy crap.
Wait, I can cut him off. Got him.
Nice. Braedon's the best here, I think. Yep.
Ready? Watch this.
Great, you fast yourself, man. I'm sorry there hasn't been much Minecraft videos. Working on them, okay? Working on them.
What's up, Darnell?
What's up, bro?
Yellow's on your way.
Is he?
Oh, jeez.
Whoa.
You blocked
Yellow
me.
died.
You got me.
Oh, did I?
Mm-hmm.
Crap, sorry.
It's just you and blue.
Oh. Oh, no!
Oh, I wish you can't get yourself. That'll be good.
Alright. Boom. Come on. I'll get yellow, you get blue.
Damn, you went the other way.
I'll get myself. You get yellow and blue.
I've got yellow. Look, he's in there.
You got yourself.
I'm back out. Yeah, I got out.
Oh, you're lucky as. Blue's gonna stuff himself because yellow will. Nah, he's gonna die first. Come on. Oh! I suck at this game. If you guys don't notice.
He's got yellow. Yeah. Is he?
Yeah! I think 2 more wins and then we'll end the video.
Hey, you can jump, you know, so you can jump over them. Remember, you can jump
How do you
over.
jump?
You can jump over it.
Oh! What's up, yellow? This just made the game a lot fun.
I saw them collide.
Woo! Okay, remember to jump now because like jumping's good. I'm making a barrier around you.
Really? You had to?
Oh.
Well,
I tried to jump on the tree, but that wouldn't work. 1 more win. Come on, Braedon. I won't kill you this time. But I'll kill myself.
no, that freaking thing. Pain in the bum. Right, I know what I can do now. Trap you. Damn it. That's how they're surviving. They're jumping over it.
Really? Hold on. 1 more, that was too good.
Alright. Alright. Nothing. Yeah. So,
yeah, I guess thank you guys for watching. Braedon, take us out.
like, comment, subscribe. See you soon. And
Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed, by the way.